Okay, 2 words. Let's start with the image. Sophie, as always.
Okay, I want you to picture 2 doors. Not the before and after doors from a previous episode. These are different doors. These are the doors you knock on when you need something from someone. The first door is a door you push open directly. You walk in. The request is clear, confident, immediate. Can I come in? You are already halfway through the door as you ask. There's energy there, directness. It is casual. It is comfortable. It assumes a yes.
And the second door.
The second door, you knock a little more gently. You wait a moment. The request is still real, still genuine, but the knocking says, I am considering you. I am aware that you have a choice. I am not pushing through. Could I come in? You are standing outside, hand raised, waiting. The door is yours to open or not. The choice is yours. I'm just asking.
2 doors, 1 push, 1 knock. And in real human interaction, the difference between pushing and knocking matters enormously. Not because pushing is rude. With the right people in the right moment, pushing is perfectly natural. But knowing when to knock changes how people receive you. It changes the whole temperature of the room.
And that's exactly what can and could do. They set the temperature.
Let's take can first. Can is the everyday word, the comfortable word, the word you use with people you know, in situations that feel casual and familiar. It has energy, it has directness, it assumes ease.
Can I borrow your pen? Quick, simple. You and your colleague, no ceremony. Can you pass the salt? At your own dinner table, with your family. Nobody is performing politeness. Everybody is just living. Can we leave a little early today? To a friend, to someone comfortable. The ask is real, but the relationship makes the directness feel natural.
Can is also the word for ability, what you are able to do, what is possible. I can speak 3 languages. Ability, capacity, true fact about yourself. She can run very fast. She has this ability. She's capable of this. Can you swim? Are you able to? Is this something your body knows how to do? This is pure ability, pure possibility, nothing to do with politeness.
And this is important because can wears 2 hats, the ability hat and the request hat. And context usually makes it very clear which hat it is wearing. Can you help me? In the middle of a task? That is a request. Can you drive? In a conversation about road trips, that is asking about ability. Your ear will almost always know which hat is on.
Now, could. And could is where the warmth lives, the consideration, the softness, the social awareness. Could puts a gentle layer between the request and the person receiving it. It's not weakness, it's not uncertainty, it's care. It says, I am aware that you have a life, a choice, a perspective. I am asking you, not telling you. And I want you to feel that difference.
Could you help me with something? Softer than can you help me? Same request, same genuine need, but the could creates space. It gives the other person room to breathe before they respond. Could I ask you a question? You are checking in before the actual ask. You are considering the person before you make a demand on their attention. Could we move the meeting to Thursday? You are aware this affects someone else. You are asking with that awareness in your voice.
And could is the word for more formal situations, for people you do not know well, for contexts where you want to make a good impression. The job interview, the first meeting with a new colleague, a request to a stranger, a message to someone in authority.